Yes, good evening, guys, to all of you. I welcome you all for this wonderful session on engineering mathematics. So, guys, today we are going to solve some questions on matrix algebra, and they are going to be some wonderful questions. And we will be covering the topics like eigenvalue vectors. Also, we will be covering the topics like system of linear equations. Okay. So, yes, Virendra, good evening, dear. How are you? So we are starting this session, guys. We will be solving around 10 questions today. Okay, so already the match is over. India won. Malesh, good evening. So yes, so this is related to engineering mathematics. So we are starting the session. You can join the Telegram channel Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana to get the PDF of this session. So guys, we will not waste the time. Just we will start. And before we start, this is the schedule for rank up series for civil and mechanical. And today's Tom 1 session was not available because of the poor lighting. So we will be having this session again with more number of questions and different questions. Okay. So guys, now this is the pending schedule. You can see that. So moving further, yes, Rohan, hello dear. After so many days, you are here. So this is the very first question, guys. Let us see how many of you are able to do this. Here a matrix Mk is defined like k minus 1, 1 by k, 1 to 1 by k minus 1 ka square. And Mk, this is defined as the determinant, okay, of the matrix. This is not determination, this is determinant, okay, of the matrix Mk. Then you need to find out limit n tend to infinity, M2 plus M3 plus M4 up to Mn. That you need to solve it. Hi Arithro. So this is a very good question. I have found it for you. These are the options for us. Okay. So just try to solve it. Otherwise, I will be helping you. Okay. Great. Great, Rohan. So when you got selected, then why you are doing MTech? You have not joined Tata Motors. That's great. You are pursuing MTech from NIT Surathkal. That's great. Yes, solve this question, guys. So this is M2 ka determinant plus M3 plus M4 up to Mn that you need to answer. These are the options. Okay. You can start from 2. You know that how the determinant will be written. This will be k minus 1, 1 by k, 1 and 1 by k minus 1 ka square. Yes. So you can start solving. Okay, placements are going on. Now you got selected. Great, great. Congratulations, Rohan. So hope you will be doing great in Tata Motors as well. So all the best from our side. And I feel you would also be appearing for GATE na this year for PSU. Yes. So guys, likewise, placements happens in MTech also. This is the example. Every time you are asking, na, sir, after MTech, do the placement happens? So Rohan is in front of you. So guys, are you trying this? Do like and share the session so that others can also join. Yes, guys. So try to solve this question. I will be solving otherwise. Great, great, great. Solve it, guys. It is very interesting question. If you want to write the value of M2, it will be 2 minus 1. Here it is 1 by 2. 1 and 1 by 2 minus 1 ka square. This will be the value of M2 determinant. Similarly, when you will find M3, you will get 3 minus 1. 1 by 3. 1 by 3 minus 1 का square. This will be M3 value. Likewise, you can find out M4, 4 minus 1, 1 by 4, 4 minus 1 ka square and 1, and so on. Okay. So when you are having this, I am writing this in the next slide. You are going to say limit n tends to infinity is equals to, sorry. Here we have the matrix 1, 1 by 2, 1, 1, 1 by 2 and 1 plus. What is the second matrix? 2, 1 by 3, 1 and 1 by 4. So it is going to be 2, 1 by 3, 1 and 1 by 4. Similarly, you can write the third matrix. So I have already calculated for you. This is 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 9 and 1, and so on. And when you will be putting the value n, it will be n minus 1. Here it is 1 by n. 1 by n minus 1 ka square. This is the case. Okay. So my dear, if we have this, now you know we can write limit n tends to infinity. This will be 1 minus 1 by 2 plus. When you will do this, 2 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. It will be 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus. When you will be solving this, 3 into 1 by 9 is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Similarly, you can say 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. Okay. You will get this. Can you feel it that this 1 by 2 is minus, this 1 by 2 is plus? Yes. Then this 1 by 3 is minus, this 1 by 3 is plus. So can you feel it that these values will get cancelled out with each other? Likewise, up to this. So you would be getting limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n plus 1. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? When you will be putting n infinity, the answer will be coming out to be 1. Yes, are you getting it? The answer for this question is B. Everybody got it? Yes, yes, yes. Aritro, Rohan, Malesh, Virendra. The answer for this will be 1. Clear for everyone? Clear for everyone? So answer for this question is 1. So let us solve the second question. This is slightly on the easier side. Yes. We are having a matrix A 6 2 minus 2 2 where C is defined as B A B inverse. Then B inverse A transpose B. They are saying determinant of B is non-zero and K is we need to find out. And they are saying K square is equals to determinant of C. So you need to solve it. Yes, Papa Kagoda, good evening. Kalpesh, hello dear. So today I am very happy to see you guys. Like Rohan, you. So these are our previous students, guys. Kalpesh, Rohan. Yes, I am fine, Kalpesh. How are you? बहुत दिनों बाद आप लोगों से बात हो रही है. So Kalpesh, what's going on? क्या चल रहा है? Have you appeared for the exams, HAL and all? Okay, so Papa Ka Ghoda is saying the answer is 4. Okay, let us see. Sujit. Okay, thank you, dear. Okay, waiting for PSU. So, Kalpesh, what is the rank? Arithro, thanks for that. But you also have to do all this now. When I have given exam, I studied mathematics. So, you have to be all-rounder to qualify the exam. Okay. So, Kalpesh, I feel NTPC vacancy you must have seen. If you, okay, 475 rank, you will get NTPC, na? Try for that. NTPC is having good number of vacancy, fair chances are there. So, do apply for that. That's great. Okay. And also, I would like to tell you, NPCIL also will be recruiting in next year, but they will also be considering GATE 23 scorecard. So, look at all notifications. So, guys, this is the second question. Let us see how to solve it. So, first of all, we need to find see what is determinant of C. If you want to see the determinant of C, you know that we can take determinant of every matrix B, A, B inverse, then B inverse, then A transpose, then B. So can you see there is one B inverse, one B inverse, other B. So they will cancel out each other. So we will be left with determinant of A transpose. And I feel everybody knows that key transpose and A matrix determinant will be same. So if that is the case, we can find out the determinant of A, that is 6, 2, minus 2, 2. It will be 6, 2 is 12, minus of minus 4 is 16. So in that case, what would be the determinant of C? It is written as 16 ka square. But it is given as K ka square. So K is 16. C is the correct answer. Everybody got it? Yes, Papa Ka Ghoda. So Kalpesh and Rohan, whenever you get like selected, or if you want any help in your preparation, do connect with me. Whatever possible way I can help you, I will surely be. Otherwise, you already got the decent rank. Now you will get. Okay. Malesh, are you there? Understood the question? Kartikeya, good evening. Everybody understood this question? Answer will be C for this. Yes. Moving to the third question. Moving to the third question. Great. So guys, here they are saying that AB are 3 cross 3 square matrix such that AB is A, BA is B. Then what is A plus B ki power 5? Yes. Will you try this? Because I find that in mathematics, more we practice, more we learn. And in mathematics, nothing, theories, generally students are not interested. So we are going with CTQ model. Hope you will be benefited maximum here. And I am going to share you the handwritten notes of mathematics. Okay. And also the practice questions like I previously also shared with you. You can try this question. This is question number 3 for the session. 2 questions we have already solved. So AB is equals to A. So finally today India won from Australia in a tight match. So you can see the timing of the class of ours. Like previously it was at 6 p.m. Then I shifted to 10 p.m. and just 5-7 minutes before the class, the match is over. So you can see the setting. Okay. So I was knowing, because at the time of match, it is very difficult because our concentration will not be in the class. Neither yours nor mine. Yes. So we have good settings. Just kidding, guys. It is, you can say, by chance happened. So anybody? Anybody who have done it or trying it? Okay, so Papa Ka Ghoda is saying the answer is D, and I would like to say yes, you are correct. This time you answered it correctly. D is correct. Anybody else? Vipin Mishra is saying A. Okay, so dear, A is not correct. D is correct. You have done some mistake, slightly small mistake. I feel you may be forgetting this term actually. So guys, in the morning, the Tom session is not available because of the poor lighting. So we will be coming up with a new session with more number of questions. And I have found that you guys want some brushing up in the transmission angle types of concepts. So I will be taking a marathon next Saturday to cover simple mechanism, velocity, acceleration completely. Don't worry. Okay, so I feel now you got the answer. Sai Kiran and Malesh also have given the answer to be D. So let us see how to solve it. So first of all, you can see that A into B is A. So first of all, what is A square? We can write A square as A into A. A can be written as AB. A can be written as AB. Can we write it like that? We can also write it as A, BA, B. What is BA? BA is B. So it is A, B, B. Okay. So what is A into B? It is A. What is A into B? It is A. So we got A square is equals to A. Similarly, we can derive B square is equals to B. Like we derived A square is equals to A, we can definitely write B square is equals to B. Great, Arithro. When you will be qualifying the written exams, we will be having your mocks as well. Then you can write A plus B ka square. It will be A square plus B square plus 2AB. You know A square plus B square plus AB plus BA. A square is A, B square is B, AB is A, BA is B. So you can write it as 2 times of A plus B. Then my dear, if you will be having A plus B ki power 4, it will be 2 into A plus B ki power 2, 2 ki power 2, A plus B ki square. So you know A plus B ki square is nothing but 2 into A plus B, 2 ki power cube into A plus B. So you can see when A plus B ki power 4 is this. So can you feel it? A plus B ki power 2 is 2 into A plus B, 2 ki power 1 A plus B. A plus B ki power 4 is 2 ki power 3. So obviously by that A plus B ki power 5 will be 2 ki power 4 into A plus B. So 2 ki power 4 is 16. Vipin Mishra, you got it or not? Please tell me. Answer will be D for this. Sujit sir, can you help me to qualify GATE? Up to now I have completed 2% syllabus. I can do anything by guidance. Okay, then you call me after today's session. You call me after today's session. This is my contact. You call me. After the class, you call me. Okay. Moving further. Question number 4. Before that, you know that rank up is going on. This question, A cube plus LA square plus MA plus NI. This is identity matrix. I am writing it again. A cube plus LA square plus MA plus NI is equals to 0. Where they have defined A is this, find out L plus M plus N. Options are available for you guys. Okay. बायजू पे फ्री मॉक टेस्ट नहीं, सिर्फ प्रीवियस ईयर. फ्री मॉक टेस्ट आएगा, पापा का घोड़ा फ्री मॉक टेस्ट आएगा. Okay, and you whenever like you know every week scholarship test is there, mock test will also be coming now. Okay, so I will be telling you before that, and they are mega mock challenge. I feel will be starting from November. Every month they are going for 2 mega mock challenges. So from November they will be starting. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, Papa ka ghoda. So this is the question number 4th or 5th, whatever. Don't see the number, just solve it. So this is the equation given. So you just need to make the equation and then you can compare L, M, N, and then you can very easily answer it. Solve this question, guys. Solve this question. Let us see how many of you give the right answer for this one. This is little bit easier question. So we have done a combination of easy, moderate, difficult. So guys, for next week onward, I will share you the schedule so that you can revise the concept before coming to the classes. Okay. Okay, so Papa ka ghoda is saying 1 or minus 1. 1 or minus 1. 1 or minus 1, because 1 is not in the option. You are getting 1 or minus 1. So first of all, you need to solve equation. What is the equation? A minus lambda I ka determinant is equals to 0. This will give you the characteristic equation. So you will be writing 4 minus lambda 6, 6. Then 1, 3 minus lambda 2. Minus 1, minus 4, minus 3 minus lambda. From that you will be making the equation. And then you will be saying 4 minus lambda into 3 minus lambda, you can take minus outside. 3 minus lambda is coming. Okay. Let me make it clear. Otherwise there will be confusion. So it is 3 minus lambda into minus 3 minus lambda plus 8. Then when you will be taking this minus 6, minus 3 minus lambda plus 2. Then plus 6, minus 4, plus 3 minus lambda, equating it to 0. So my dear, now you just need to solve this equation. You can see minus can be taken outside, minus outside. 4 minus lambda, 3 minus lambda, 3 plus lambda, 9 minus lambda square, plus 8. And then you have minus, this is minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So plus 6, 1 minus, okay, minus is taken out now. So minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 minus lambda, 1 plus lambda. Then we have plus 6. This is minus 1 minus lambda again. When you will equate it to 0, you will be getting the final equation, which I have solved it for you, is lambda cube minus 4 lambda square minus lambda plus 4 is equals to 0. So if you compare this equation, you can say L is equals to minus 4, M is equals to minus 1, N is equals to plus 4. So when you will be taking the summation of these three, the answer will be minus 1. So C is the right answer. Everybody got it? Question number 5 is over. Moving to question number 6. This is easier question. I am expecting this everyone will be doing it correctly. This is easy question. We are having a matrix 3 cross 3 and they have given the eigenvalues to be 1, 2 and 3. Then the matrix A satisfies which of the following equation? Solve this question, guys. Arithro, okay, after this question I will explain it again because many students would have started this one. So after this I will explain that again. Okay, no issues. Solve it, guys. Solve it, guys. Solve it. Solve it. Solve it. Papa ka ghoda. Actually, there is a problem. Actually, this is not PDF. This is PPT. So in PPT, I cannot enlarge the size. If it would be PDF, I could be. But I have taken care your doubt. In the next class, I will be taking bigger sizes. Only 1-2 question have this sizes. After that, I feel there is no such issue. Like you can see, this is bigger. So 1 to 2 question they have typed like that. I will take care. Just be here for this time. Okay, I understood because in the morning also the same issue happened. Some lighting issue is also there. We will be resolving it. Okay, don't worry. Sometime actually settings are getting disturbed. So do you want any hint for this? We have 3 eigenvalues. So can we do lambda minus 1, lambda minus 2, lambda minus 3? Is it like that? This is the hint to you guys. Aritro, I will repeat after this question. Okay. Okay, so Papa ka ghoda is saying the answer to be B, which is lambda cube minus 6 lambda square. Okay, okay, okay. I feel your answer is correct. Very good. You're welcome, Sujit. No issues. Yes, Malesh. Please try to answer. Vipin, please try to answer. Hint is there now. You just need to make the equation and then apply Cayley-Hamilton theorem. This is the equation. So lambda minus 1, lambda square minus 2 lambda minus 3 lambda plus 6. Then we will be having lambda cube minus 2 lambda square. Okay, let me make it easier for you. We can also write it as lambda minus 1, lambda square minus 5 lambda plus 6. Now it would be lambda cube minus lambda square minus 5 lambda square plus 5 lambda plus 6 lambda minus 6. From here you got lambda cube minus 6 lambda square plus 11 lambda minus 6 is equals to 0. Is it clear? When I will be multiplying this, minus 5 lambda will be minus and 6. Okay. Is it clear? So now you will be having the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Which is saying put lambda is equals to A. And I feel everybody is getting the answer to be B. Are we getting? Yes. Here I feel plus will be there. And here will be minus. A or B, what you are getting? A or B, what you are getting? A or B, what you are getting? A na? A will be coming na? It will be A will be the answer, bhai. B nahi hoga. A would be the answer. It is very easy question. Okay, so Aritro, are you asking about this question? Are you asking about this question? Yes, Vipin. So in this question, what we have done actually, they have given us this equation. So you know that if this equation is given and A matrix is given. So if you want to find out such characteristic equation, what you do? You are going to do A minus lambda I is equals to 0. When you will be doing this, you will be getting this equation. Now by Cayley-Hamilton theorem, put lambda is equals to A, you will get this, and you can see this and this. You can compare it. You can compare it, the coefficient of lambda square, lambda and I. Okay, so this is how you have solved it. Is it clear? Yes. Very good, Vipin. Moving to the next question. This is similar question. If -1, 2 are the eigenvalues, then A inverse will be. The similar question. Once again, you will say lambda minus of -1, lambda minus of -1, lambda minus 2 is equals to 0. Solve this question and you will get the value of A inverse very easily. Solve this one, guys. Solve this. After that, we have some questions from system of linear equations as well. So this is from here. Then okay, so you will get the equation lambda cube minus 3 lambda minus 2. Minus 2, yes, minus 2. Once again, the same theorem. A cube minus 3A minus 2I is equals to 0. You need to find out the value of A inverse multiplied with A inverse. Okay. So equate it to 0. 0 is into A inverse also. So you will be finding out the value of A inverse from here. Okay. So Papa Ka Goda is saying the answer to be D. What is that? 1 by 2A square minus 3I. Okay. What about others? Let us see what others are answering. Solve it, guys. Solve it, solve it, solve it. Very good, Vipin. So when you will be solving this, as you know, A inverse into A cube will be A square minus 3I, because A into A inverse is I, minus 2A inverse is equals to 0. So A inverse is 1 by 2 into A square minus 3I. Answer is D for this. Very good, guys. I didn't get what you have written, Arithro. Actually, it is, what I have done is I multiplied both side by A inverse. A inverse into 0 will be 0. And A inverse into A cube will be A square. A inverse into A will be I. A inverse into identity matrix will be A inverse. So likewise we calculated. Answer is D for this. Okay. So guys, moving for the next question. Now we are coming to some good questions. I feel now it is properly visible. Slightly bigger in size. And now the question is, this is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. So this system is having unique solution, infinite number of solution, no solution, or exactly 2 solutions. I hope everybody would be getting this, what to do. We will be having a matrix. X ka coefficient 1, Y ka coefficient 2, Z ka coefficient 1. Then we have 2, 1, 2, 6, 1, 1 into X, Y, Z is equals to 6, 6, 5. You can go for the augmented matrix. So Papa Kakoda, are you saying infinite number of solution for this? Are you saying that? Let us see. I don't feel so. You are correct. So you know we can write the augmented matrix A, B. What will be that? This is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 6, 1, 1. Here you have 6, 6, 5. Is it correct? Is it correct? Okay. So if we are going to operate R2 minus 2R1, R2 minus 2R1 and R3 minus R1, if we operate this, what we will be getting? You know, we can do the elementary row operations. First row will be as it is 1, 2, 1, 6. We are operating R2 minus 2R1. 2 minus 2 will be 0. Then R2 minus 2R1. So will it be minus 3? And here once again we will have 0. And this is 2 into 6 is 12. 6 minus 12 is minus 6. Then we have 6 here. This is R3 minus R1. We will be having, yes, it is 6 now. Sorry, it is 1. It is 1 actually. So when we are having this 1, let me raise it. So what we will be having for this? This will be 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. And 5 में से 6 जाएगा तो minus 1. So my dear, I feel if we are going to operate R3 minus R2 by 3, R3 minus or plus R2 by 3. So R3 plus R2 by 3. Can we do this? Can we do this? R3 plus R2 by 3. If we are going to do R3 plus R2 by 3, what we will be getting here? 1 to 1, 6 is as it is. 1 to 1, 6 is as it is. Then we have 0, minus 3 and 0. Then we have minus 6. So it will be 0, 0, 0. And when you will be multiply with 3, R2 with 3, it will be minus 2. And minus 2 will be added to this, will be minus 3. Is it clear? Will we be getting minus 3 here? So if you see this, can I say the rank of A is 2, whereas rank of A augmented matrix B is 3. So the ranks are not equal. Ranks are not equal. So what we can say when ranks are not equal? What we can say when ranks are not equal? What we can say when ranks are not equal? Tell me that. Tell me that. Can we say it to be inconsistent? Can we say it to be inconsistent? Yes. In the third it is 1, 1, 1. Yes, Virendra. It is 1, 1, 1. You are correct. Because this is the equation. Here column is missing. Okay. Arithro, because this row is 0 now. Arithro, this row is 0. So for A matrix, the rank is 2 because third row having all elements to be 0. So the rank of A will be 2, whereas A augmented matrix B will be 3. So whenever ranks are not equal, it is inconsistent. So the answer will be no solution. The answer will be no solution. Yes, Malesh, Papa Ka Ghoda, Virendra, Arithro, R3 minus R1 check. R3 minus R1 check. Okay. This is R3, this is R1. 1 minus 1, 0. Then this is, okay, this is minus 1, na? Okay, in that case also there is no problem. Answer will remain the same. Why? If it is going to be 1 minus 2, R3 minus R1, 1 minus 2 will be minus 1 and 5 minus 6 will be minus 1. It's fine. Then also, my dear, you can do R3 plus R2 by 3. So it is correct only. Only this minus sign I have missed. So when you will be doing this, minus 3 ka multiplication, minus 3 by 3 is minus 1. Okay. And you are just saying R3 minus R2 by 3. And you will be getting minus 1, minus of minus 1 will be 0. Then also you will get the same. Here I have written wrongly. It is not plus, it is minus. Only that is the mistake. And dear, that can happen now because I am not going to appear for the exam. I can help you with the concepts. Calculation mistake is my birthright. Okay, because I have qualified those things at my time. Okay. Fine, but Vipin, thanks for the correction. I am happy that you are looking it very nicely. That's great. Okay, don't worry, Papa Ka Ghoda. We will be doing this with the help of questions. Don't worry. Okay. Because previously I was teaching, then you said, sir, we want CTQ. Now I am doing CTQ. You are asking, sir, please teach. Okay. No issues. So guys, now it is clear. This question is clear for everyone. This question is clear for everyone. Vipin, Malesh, Papa Ka Ghoda. So finally, if I say, when you will be solving it, I am telling you the correct now only. Okay. So when you are solving it, R3 minus R2 by 3. So I am correcting so that no student get the doubt of this. So we were having it 0 minus 1 0. Here we were having 5 and we are subtracting minus R2 by 3. R2 is 6. 6 by 3 is 2. So when you will be subtracting this, 6 by 3 is 2. R3 minus 5 minus 2. So are we getting 3 here? Are we getting 3 here? Tell me that. This is minus 1 minus 1 minus of 6 by 3. It is correct only, I feel so. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Okay, guys. So move further. This is the next question. This is the next question of similar concept. So guys, this question says, for the set of equation x1 plus 2x2 plus x3 plus 4x4 is 2, 3x1 plus 6s2 plus 3x3 plus 12x4 is 6. So only the trivial solution, there are no solution, a unique non-trivial solution, multiple non-trivial solution exist. So guys, once again you will make the equation here. This time 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 3, 12 into. Is it clear? Can we directly do augmented matrix? Can we directly write augmented matrix? 2, 6. This is A augmented B. Okay. So now, my dear, it is very easy to solve. Once again, go for the equation. Yes. Solve it, guys. Okay, rank is coming 1. When you will be operating, Vipin, what we will be operating now? Can we operate R2 minus 3R1? When you will be operating like this, what you will be getting? 1, 2, 1, 4, 2. Here we will be getting 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. The rank of A is equals to rank of A augmented B is coming out to be 1, which is less than the number of variables. Okay, so it is, rank is less than the number of variables. So Papa ka Goda, for this case we will be having multiple non-trivial solution exist. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Please tell me, is it clear? Is it clear? And don't bother about the spammers. Okay, is it clear? The answer will be D for this. Malesh, I feel you got your mistake. So what I got from your understanding that you need a quick revision. Okay, so guys, do you want any short notes kind of thing if I provide you? Because what I feel is you just need a revision of the things, like the condition you don't remember. Are bhai, Arithro, can you see only first row have non-zero elements, second row is having all the zero elements. So that is why rank is 1. I feel you need to revise what is rank actually. So whenever we have this matrix, if we are able to make all the elements of that matrix in this row is 0. So otherwise it is having 2 rows now. So but you know one row element we have made it 0. So that is why it will be having the rank of 1 only. Okay, no issues, guys. I am working on to that. Actually, I am just with these sessions I am trying to get what you need actually. Okay, because when I was teaching you probability in the starting you guys were happy, but later I found that you are getting bored in the theory because you have studied a lot of times. So I feel you need a quick revisions. For that I will share you the short notes. Okay, so before coming to the class you can revise them 2-3 pages, so that like if you have studied these condition now, you would not be struggling in the question. So from the next time we will do the same. Okay, so this is a good question. How many of the following matrices have an eigenvalue of 1? This is the PYQ of computer science branch. You can have this in the repetition. So dear, in the night time spammers are always more, so don't bother about that. Just concentrate on the class. I will be blocking them one by one, whoever will come, don't worry. Okay. So solve this question, guys, now. This question is saying how many of the following matrices have an eigenvalue of 1. So I feel you know how to find out the eigenvalues. Okay, relax today. Yes, very good, very good. Shiva creators, very good. So you know we will be having 1 minus lambda, 0, 0 minus lambda. Equate it to 0 and find out the values of lambda. They are the eigenvalues. Then you will go for the second matrix. 0, 1, 0, 0. So minus lambda, minus lambda. Equate it to 0. You will get the lambda values. Repeat it for the third matrix. 1 minus 1, 1, 1. Minus lambda, minus lambda. Equate it to the 0. Fourth matrix, minus 1, 0, 1 and minus 1. Minus lambda, minus lambda. Equate it to the 0. So, majority of you are saying the answer to be D. Let us check it. So, first of all, we will find out. This is 1 minus lambda minus, okay, we can solve the equation. The equation will be minus lambda into 1 minus lambda. When you will be equating it to 0, you will get lambda is equal to 0 and 1. So this is going to be the answer for sure. Now let us see this. When you will be solving this, you will be getting what? Minus lambda ka square is 0. So lambda will be coming out to be 0 and 0. This is not the answer which we are looking for. Then we are having this 1 minus lambda ka square plus 1 is equal to 0. So 1 plus lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. So here we will be having lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 2 is equal to 0. So what are the values we will be getting from this? After solving this, you will be getting iota and minus iota. Is it like that? Yes. What are the values we are getting here? Okay, sorry guys. What are the values we are getting here for the lambda? B square minus 4AC है ना, divided by 2. You will be getting complex numbers iota values. So this is not fulfilling our condition. So minus of 1 minus lambda ka square is equals to 0. So what you will be getting here? Are we getting it? No, it is minus is common, 1 plus lambda. It is minus 1 minus lambda, minus 1 minus lambda. So minus is common, 1 plus lambda ka square. So lambda will be equals to minus 1. So answer is 1, I feel so. Don't you feel answer will be 1? Don't you feel answer will be 1? Please tell Vipin, Sai Kiran, Papa Ka Ghoda, Siva Creators. Tell me. Arey bhai, this is 1 plus lambda na, because it is minus 1 minus lambda. Minus 1 minus lambda. Is it clear? Hi Dhirendra PG. So it will be 1 plus lambda ka square is equals to 0. The answer will be lambda is minus 1 na? Yes. So answer will be what? Answer will be 1 for this. Not 2. This type of question generally students make the mistake like you guys have mistaken. Okay. Fine guys. So this is the last question for today's class. So you tell me next week. Yes, Dhirendra, Pranam bhai, kaise hai aap? So guys, tell me next session on next Sunday you want on matrix or which topic? I will be sharing you the short notes before the class so that you can revise well, and then you will be having the questions in the class. Just tell me the topic here. You have complete mathematics as topics. I will be coming up with 11 questions. Okay. Papa Kakoda, don't directly go into vector. For vector, we will go after calculus. So tell me the topics like calculus, differential equation, matrix, probability, complex numbers, numerical methods. Okay. So I will be sharing you the notes before the 2-3 days of the class. So you will revise it first, theory, and then you will come to the class. Ha, Aritro, in both the groups, WhatsApp, Telegram, everywhere I will share. Yes, relax today. India won today. This is a point of happiness. Solve this question, guys. This is R matrix given to us. Top row of R inverse. You know that how you will be writing R inverse? Adjoint of R divided by determinant of R. First find out the determinant of R. है ना? Then my dear, you know that when you will be taking the adjoint is the transpose of the cofactor matrix. So when I know that I am going to take transpose, so it is better I will find out the cofactor of first column. Cofactor of first column will give me the first row of R inverse matrix. So first find out this R determinant. It is going to be, determinant of R is going to be, it will be -1, 4 plus 2, 6, then -1, is it correct? Let me check it. Tell me what you are getting as determinant. Tell me what you are getting as determinant. Then we will be finding out the cofactor of the first column. Tell me. This is a good question, I feel so. We are going to find out R inverse. How many? Okay, this is the last question. Fine. Great, Malesh. So 0 into 0, then -1, 4 plus 2, 6, then -1, 4 minus of -2. अरे भाई बता दो इतनी देर में तो. -1, it is 4 minus of 2, 6, then -1, is it like that? Or I am doing some mistake? I don't know actually. Am I making some mistake? -1, 6, -2. 4 minus of -2. Okay, it is coming out to be -10. Okay. Actually, there is a misprinting I am telling you. If you are following this matrix, don't go by these options, because the matrix given in the book was 1, 0, -1, 2, 1, -1, 2, 3, 2. This was the real matrix. So if we are going by this, don't go for these options. You tell me your answer. Okay. Yes. So we are going with this answer only, -10. Then you know we need to find out the cofactors. What is cofactor of A11? First row, first column. 2 minus of -3 plus 5. Then you will be having cofactor A21. second row, first column, 2 minus of minus 3. Then cofactor of A 3 1. Third row, first column, minus 1 minus of minus 1. Will you get it? Solve it and tell me what would be the answer. Last question, guys. Very good, Sai Kiran and Vipin Mishra. So this small misprint was there. If you would be making this, then for this determinant may be coming out to be 1. So forget about that. We will solve with the given question. Tell me, guys, tell me what is the answer you are getting. Yes, Aritro. You know the cofactors? Everybody know the cofactor, or you want me to explain that? When you find out the cofactor for this, it will be this into this minus this into this. Okay, Sai Kiran. What about others? Sai Kiran, please check the first cofactor for first row and first column, 2 minus of minus 3. Sai Kiran, check the first cofactor. Yes, it will be, you need to divide it by this also, which is minus 10 we got now. So it is 5 by minus 10, 5 by minus 10 and 0. So minus 0.5, minus 0.5, 0. If you will be solving for this question, which was the real question from Computer Science 2009 paper, for this, if you will be finding out, then the answer will be coming out to be 5 minus 3 and 1. Okay. No, this is the third row, first column. It is 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Minus of 1. Okay, fine. So Aritro, I feel you need to see the cofactor part again. Okay, no issues. I feel everybody understood this. So I am telling you that whenever we are finding out the R inverse, it is adjoint of A divided by this. And what is adjoint of A? It is cofactor matrix का transpose. Okay. So goodbye guys for this particular session. So as per the discussion between us, now we will be going like I will be sharing you the short notes for revision before 2-3 days before the class. You will revise it and come for the practice. So I will be starting next week either with the calculus or with the differential equation. Be ready. Goodbye for this particular session. Thanks for joining. Yes, Sai Kiran. No, Sai Kiran, multiply will not be done. Multiply will not be done, dear. In cofactor we don't multiply, na? In cofactor we don't multiply, Sai Kiran. What you are saying is correct only when you are finding out the determinant. Arey bhai, when you find out the determinant, like this is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, then A31, A32, A33. So when you are finding out the cofactor of this, it is simply this minus this. When you find out determinant, then you will multiply with this, na? अरे भाई पूरा पढ़ाना पड़ेगा क्या मैट्रिक्स Sai Kiran, you got it or not? Tell me, bhai. Ha, these are the minus. You are correct. Now you understood? You understood now? Fine.